Water security, a critical global concern, confronts us with a range of complex challenges. As we look into this vital topic, I, Blanca Antizar, Director at IL Utilities, invite you to explore the dimensions of water security and the strategies needed to safeguard our planet's most valuable resource. Water security, shaped by the United Nations and other global organizations, has evolved since the 1990s. It goes beyond simple availability. It encompasses holistic well-being, ecological balance, and resilience. Key aspects include a scarcity of water. By 2030, global freshwater demand is projected to overtake supply by 40%. Over 4 billion people currently inhabit water-scarce regions, and urban centers face increasing insecurity. And balancing water needs for agriculture, industry, and communities is paramount. Another aspect is water pollution, which is a challenge in many regions. And in Latin America, for example, 70% of water used in cities is discharged to rivers and lakes without treatment. Remediation and sustainable practices are essential to restore water quality, and nature-based solutions can play an important role here. Water security may be behind conflicts over shared resources. Across borders, water becomes a diplomatic bridge or a geopolitical matter. Collaborative governance is vital to prevent disputes and ensure fair access. We need to pay more attention to environmental deterioration. Biodiversity loss and groundwater overuse make our water systems more vulnerable. Sustainable management must harmonize with nature. Climate change has also an impact on water security. We see changes in rainfall patterns and droughts that also have a huge impact on many sectors, including food and energy. Adaptation and resilience are key strategies against a changing climate. We need new solutions for the new emerging challenges. To achieve water security, we must embrace innovative solutions. We need investment and capacity building, strengthening infrastructure and knowledge across the water sector, empowering communities to manage their water resources effectively. We need innovation ecosystems. We need to design decentralized water supply and sanitation systems tailored to diverse contexts. We need to foster regional innovation hubs capable of executing sustainable projects. Financial instruments and digitalization might be part of the solution as well. We need to explore novel financing mechanisms to fund water initiatives and to link this with capacity building efforts. New circular business models might be more appropriate in some contexts. Digitalization coupled with real-time data can empower regulators and other key stakeholders. We need to deploy frameworks to support utilities, to improve water supply and sanitation, ensuring universal access. A holistic governance and inclusion approach is key. We need more and better collaboration across sectors and borders, and to engage local communities in decision-making. Diversification of water sources is the only option in many regions, thinking beyond conventional options, considering desalination, rainwater harvesting, and renewable energy-driven water reuse. But in other regions, we still need to enhance public acceptance of innovative solutions and the new sources of water. In conclusion, our journey toward water security demands collective action, resilience, investment, capacity building, and a circular mindset where innovation, and in particular digitalization and nature-based solutions, will play an important role. There cannot be an energy transition without a water transition, or food security without water security. At IL, recently, I have been involved as project director in the delivery of the Utility of the Future and the new IBNet of the World Bank, reaching out to more than 700 utilities globally. I lead the EU-funded projects portfolio at IL to maximize the impact through the new business and exploitation strategies of 11 projects with more than 120 partners from 21 countries, with a focus on circular economy, climate adaptation, and resource recovery, including water recovery. I am an ambassador for Water Europe and water security, and I use this role to help the industrial sector address new policies and regulations in the water sector. At IL, innovation meets expertise, and collaboration has no boundaries. We are committed to creating a better world through innovative solutions in the water and environmental sectors. We have the expertise and experience, and over the years we have built an innovation ecosystem to support the water and environmental sectors, collaborating with key stakeholders that include utilities, technology companies, academics, investors, policymakers, multilaterals, or public organizations globally. At ILE, we would love to hear from you.